There is a storm coming and most of us are pretending we don't see the clouds. You've seen these magic buttons and deep down it terrifies you. You wonder if the machine can actually do what you can do in seconds. What am I even worth? I understand that feeling. That existential dread you feel right now, it is real. I'm actually here to tell you that the storm isn't here to drown you, but it is here to clear your path. I'm here to encourage you not to be scared of this AI that is coming. I have spent months in the trenches looking for the soul in the machine. My ego tells me I did not actually fail 7 times to let a piece of software take what we have built. I have seen the promised land of the new economy. AI isn't your replacement, it is actually your liberation. I'm actually moving this channel into AI for business and marketing because I refuse to let our people be the last to know. I've done the hard work of translating the complexity into a map. Follow me and we won't actually just survive this revolution, we will lead it. You aren't actually losing your value, you are finally finding your true power. Hey, click the subscribe button and let's actually move through this storm together.
AI is not a storm, it is the